998 days till the new halving. Current crypto fear and greed index is at 72%, which is greed. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 46.5k area. We are currently bouncing from 45.5k support area. We're still in this trading channel, which is 45.5k and 48k resistance. 48k resistance still was not broken. We had a second top, but yeah, no success on that one. But again, hoping for the third touch, and maybe we're gonna have a breakout. Hoping we're still there. We're slightly above MA ribbon, like a couple points above, but which is kind of neutral, but more on the bullish side. MACD is looking kind of more neutralish because it's a small face, small red face. It's already is finishing because of this candle. Volume is always seeking down, not a lot of volume. On a 4-hour time frame, RSI is looking neutral. Daily time frame still bullish. Same on a 4-hour. We have an uptrend on a 4-hour. This uptrend support that still is not broken. Same on a daily. On a daily, we above MA ribbon, which is obviously positive sentiment, and we still above 200 MA. And you can see 50 MA is growing in faster and faster and closer, which is the more we in this above 55.5k area, the faster 50 MA will be coming closer to the 200 MA, which is a golden cross in the future. And MACD is obviously finishing the green phase, which is neutral. RSI is still overbought. Weekly time frame, as always, bullish. It's just starting a green phase on MACD. So yeah, that's it's actually 46.6. Actually, everything is looking positive right now. Our 45.5k area is still not broken. So you're currently watching for the breakout out of the 48k resistance on the 4-hour time frame. That's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on for the news, and let's start with the Microsoft, and also there's an Alibaba involved in this. So white paper published by Microsoft described an Ethereum-based tool to combat pirated content. So this Ethereum-based tool will help to combat pirated content that is, I think, involved not also with the Microsoft, also with Alibaba, because there's research from Microsoft, Alibaba, and some Mellon University have published a paper that claims the Ethereum network can help prevent piracy. So I'm pretty sure there's Alibaba Group is also involved in this one. Also, we got some news from Samsung. That's obviously everybody knows what Samsung is. So Samsung has decided to participate in a CBDC program that is being carried out by the Bank of Korea. The company will be testing the feasibility of using these new instruments in its lineup of Galaxy phones, specifically assessing the possibility of making offline payments between peers. That's actually interesting. This was interesting news. Also, there's some US government rewards for helping fight the hackers and like a cybersecurity, and these rewards will be in crypto, which makes sense. I'm pretty sure anti-hackers are using crypto also. So also we got news from Bitfarm. It's currently one of the largest Bitcoin mining firm, especially after China banning Chinese miners. So Bitfarm increases revenue by almost 400% in second quarter. So obviously mostly because of China that had some FUD on the miners, and not also FUD, they banned the miners. So we got also some news from Poly Network, and apparently this whole story is not finished. So Poly Network hack not over as attacker prolongs return of funds. So apparently, which I don't know, article says, I mean, article sounds pretty inaccurate, because if you're gonna read the description, so attacker now says they are considering accepting the 500,000 bounty offered by Poly Network as a reward for returning the funds that he returned, which is $600 million. And apparently he will be using it to pay anyone else who can hack the DeFi site, which is a Poly Network. So apparently, so now he's gonna use this reward for somebody to pay to do the same thing that he did, which is okay. I mean, it's gonna make Poly Network stronger, which this hacker did. Plus, he returned the funds, which is like plus and plus situation. But I mean, paying so okay, it's just interesting finish or the start of the story, of new story. So yeah, also we got some news from Twitter. So crypto developer will lead Twitter's decentralized social media initiative, which is called Blue Sky. So his name is Jay Graber. It's a former software engineer from Zcash and blockchain from Scuchain. He will be leading the anticipated decentralized social media initiative that was first announced by Twitter in 2K19. So here's his Twitter, and I mean tweet thread. So he says, I'm excited to announce that I will be leading Blue Sky, and it's an initiative started by Twitter to decentralize social media. And here's a full thread you can read on Twitter. I'm probably gonna put a link in the description. So also we got some news from DeFi and Automated Market Maker. So Automated Market Maker and DeFi Protocol Balancer announced Monday that it has partnered with DAO-based staking platform Lido to introduce a metastable pool incentive program. It's a metastable pool incentive program. So the company said they intend for their pools to increase liquidity on hard patch assets. So it's news from balancers. Oh, finally, that's all news for today. Obviously, TA is still looking positive. News for today are positive. We are getting less and less FUD, especially after a bull run, as you can imagine. But obviously, currently watching for our time frame and 48k resistance, hoping for the breakout, hoping we're still there. But obviously, we are slightly below our resistance, which is 1.5k. But maybe we're gonna see some pump in the volume, and there gonna be some breakouts. So yeah, currently watching for our time frame. To the moon.